Toyota Hilux 2026 stands as a modern icon of strength, versatility, and sophistication, representing a seamless fusion between rugged durability and advanced innovation. The Gear Era channel proudly presents a complete and detailed review of this remarkable machine, crafted for those who demand reliability, performance, and power from a pickup truck that has long-defined resilience. The 2026 Hilux takes the legendary nameplate into the future with refreshed styling, cutting-edge technology, and an elevated sense of comfort and design that appeals to both adventure enthusiasts and urban professionals alike. The exterior design of the Toyota Hilux 2026 reflects bold evolution without abandoning its heritage. The Velocity blue and black chrome wrap finish enhances its visual character, giving the vehicle a sharp, futuristic identity. The new front fascia features a reimagined grille design that blends chrome and black details, seamlessly integrating adaptive LED headlamps and signature daytime running lights. The body lines have been refined for aerodynamic efficiency, while the muscular fenders and elevated stance convey authority and confidence. The rear design introduces sleek LED taillights and a restructured tailgate, adding a premium touch to the truck's tough persona. The black chrome accents and dynamic alloy wheels underline Toyota's balance between style and strength, ensuring that the Hilux 2026 looks just as impressive parked in a luxury driveway as it does conquering off-road terrain. Beneath its commanding exterior lies an engine that defines precision engineering. The 2026 Hilux offers a newly tuned 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine paired with an advanced mild hybrid system, producing enhanced torque, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. The refined powertrain delivers exceptional response and smoother acceleration, ensuring power delivery remains consistent across diverse terrains. Toyota has introduced an upgraded 6-speed automatic transmission, offering more adaptive gear ratios to optimize performance during towing, climbing, or highway cruising. The intelligent four-wheel drive system ensures seamless control across all conditions, while the improved suspension setup provides better ride comfort without compromising the truck's tough off-road DNA. Whether navigating city streets or mountain trails, the Hilux 2026 adapts effortlessly, reaffirming its place as a versatile powerhouse built for every journey. One of the defining strengths of the new Hilux is its enhanced off-road capability. Toyota engineers have refined the chassis structure with high-tensile steel for improved rigidity and impact absorption. The adaptive terrain control system allows drivers to switch between multiple modes, such as sand, rock, mud, and snow, optimizing traction and torque distribution. Ground clearance has been slightly raised, while the new electronic differential lock system ensures maximum grip and stability in demanding conditions. Combined with a reinforced underbody, skid plates, and a water-wading depth of over 700 millimeters, the Hilux 2026 remains one of the most capable off-road pickups ever built. On smooth roads, the adaptive dampers automatically adjust to enhance comfort and minimize vibration, offering a balance of rugged toughness and luxurious ride quality. Inside, the Toyota Hilux 2026 redefines the concept of a premium pickup interior. The cabin showcases a perfect combination of functionality, technology, and comfort. Soft touch materials, metallic accents, and precision stitching elevate the interior aesthetic. The driver's cockpit is designed for complete control, featuring a new digital instrument cluster that displays customizable driving data. A large 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen dominates the center console, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Connectivity is seamless with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in 5G hotspot. Voice command integration ensures the driver remains focused on the road, while ambient interior lighting enhances the cabin's sophisticated tone. Comfort extends to every seat. The ventilated leather seats feature memory settings and ergonomic design for long drives. Dual-zone climate control keeps the cabin perfectly balanced, and the sound insulation has been significantly improved, creating a serene environment even during high-speed travel. The rear seats fold to provide versatile storage options, making the Hilux equally practical for work and leisure. The panoramic sunroof and soft interior lighting give the cabin an open, premium atmosphere rarely seen in utility vehicles. Every element of the Hilux 2026 interior demonstrates Toyota's commitment to blending comfort with durability, ensuring that the truck is as pleasant inside as it is capable outside. Technology defines the new era of the Hilux. The 2026 model introduces a full suite of smart systems designed to enhance safety, convenience, and efficiency. Toyota's Safety Sense 3 package includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, and road sign recognition. The 360-degree camera with real-time terrain view provides visibility from every angle, allowing precise maneuvering even in tight spaces or rugged paths. The parking assist and trailer backup system make towing easier than ever, while the new driver attention monitoring system helps prevent fatigue on long journeys. The digital key technology allows owners to unlock, start, and monitor their vehicle through a smartphone app, integrating modern convenience into everyday use. The Hilux 2026 also emphasizes sustainability and future readiness. Toyota's hybrid powertrain ensures lower emissions and greater fuel efficiency, aligning with global environmental standards without sacrificing performance. The regenerative braking system captures kinetic energy, recharging the hybrid battery during deceleration. The lightweight body structure and aerodynamic optimization contribute to improved fuel economy. This balance of sustainability and strength positions the Hilux as a pioneer among next-generation utility vehicles. Driving the Toyota Hilux 2026 is an experience of complete confidence. The steering is more responsive. The braking system has been refined for smoother modulation, and the enhanced suspension delivers superior control. The hybrid torque assist provides instant power when overtaking or tackling steep inclines, while the quiet operation during low-speed electric drive adds a refined, urban-friendly feel. In sport mode, the powertrain unleashes its full potential, offering thrilling acceleration and precise handling. Whether hauling equipment, exploring trails, or cruising through highways, the Hilux performs with grace, stability, and authority. Design is more than aesthetics. In this generation of Hilux, it's a declaration of purpose. Every contour serves function, every material adds value, and every feature reflects innovation. The LED lighting system not only enhances visibility, but also provides a signature identity, while the redesigned bumpers and skid plates increase aerodynamic performance. The Velocity Blue, combined with black chrome wrap, gives the Hilux an unmistakable presence, symbolizing confidence and sophistication. The high-strength alloy wheels and all-terrain tires complete the visual and functional perfection of this pickup masterpiece. Toyota's dedication to craftsmanship and reliability is evident in every detail. The Hilux 2026 undergoes rigorous global testing in extreme conditions, from desert heat to icy tundra, ensuring its ability to withstand the harshest environments. This reliability, paired with luxurious comfort and digital innovation, makes the new Hilux not just a pickup, but a lifestyle statement. It bridges the gap between a utility vehicle and a premium automobile, appealing to adventurers, professionals, and families alike. The 2026 Toyota Hilux proves that power and sophistication can coexist. It remains loyal to its roots of dependability, while embracing the future of intelligent mobility. The combination of hybrid technology, superior design, and advanced safety features ensures that it leads its segment with pride. The Hilux continues to symbolize trust, endurance, and progress, evolving from a tough workhorse into an intelligent, stylish companion for every journey. This comprehensive review by Gear Era celebrates Toyota's engineering excellence and vision for the future. At Gear Era, we explore the finest vehicles in the world, analyzing their design, performance, and technology to bring viewers an authentic perspective on automotive innovation. Our mission is to connect enthusiasts with the passion that drives the global automotive landscape forward. The Toyota Hilux 2026 is more than just a truck. It is proof that progress and power can merge seamlessly into one refined masterpiece. If you enjoyed this detailed review and wish to explore more in-depth automotive insights, comparisons, and future car technologies, make sure to subscribe to Gear Era. Your support keeps us inspired to continue delivering high-quality automotive storytelling and professional reviews. Stay connected, stay inspired, and keep driving forward with Gear Era, where innovation meets performance and passion fuels every journey.